AI delivery optimization. Beginner level. Introduction. AI delivery optimization refers to using artificial intelligence to improve how goods are delivered from one place to another. Delivery systems are used in e-commerce, Amazon, online stores, food delivery, restaurants, apps, logistics companies, courier services, warehouse operations. AI helps make delivery systems faster, more efficient, cost-effective, reliable. Examples of AI in delivery optimization include finding the fastest delivery routes, assigning orders to drivers, predicting delivery time, ETA, reducing fuel costs, managing delivery fleets. This topic helps beginners understand how AI solves real-world logistics problems. It also introduces concepts like optimization algorithms, route planning, scheduling, data-driven decisions, real-time tracking. What is AI delivery optimization? AI delivery optimization is the use of AI to plan and manage deliveries efficiently. In simple words, AI delivery optimization equals using smart systems to deliver packages faster and smarter. A beginner-level system includes route selection, delivery assignment, time estimation, load balancing, rerouting. Why AI delivery optimization is important. Delivery systems face challenges like traffic congestion, fuel costs, delivery delays, poor route planning, high operational costs. AI helps solve these problems by checkmark reducing delivery time, checkmark saving fuel, checkmark improving customer satisfaction, checkmark optimizing driver routes, checkmark managing large delivery networks. Basic features of AI delivery optimization. Feature purpose. Route optimization. Find fastest delivery paths. Delivery assignment. Assign tasks to drivers. ETA prediction. Estimate delivery time. Load balancing. Distribute deliveries evenly. Real-time tracking. Monitor deliveries. Live. Example delivery data. AI systems use data like delivery_data equals orders 50, drivers 5, traffic high, weather rain, closing curly bracket. Simple delivery optimization example. Orders equals 50, drivers equals 5, print orders per driver, quote orders drivers. This helps balance workload among drivers. How AI delivery optimization works. Step 1. Collect data. AI collects data from GPS systems, traffic data, order details, driver locations, weather conditions. Example: traffic equals heavy, orders equals 100. Step 2. Analyze conditions. AI evaluates the delivery situation. Example: if traffic equals heavy, print expect delays. Step 3. Optimize routes. AI finds the best delivery routes. Example: routes equals route A 40, route B 30, route C 50. Closing curly bracket. Best_route equals min routes. Key equals routes.get. Print best route, quote best_route. Step 4. Assign deliveries. AI distributes tasks among drivers. Example: orders equals 60, drivers equals 6. Print each driver handles, quote orders drivers. Step 5. Monitor and adjust. AI tracks deliveries and updates routes. Example: delay equals true. If delay, print rerouting delivery. AI in route optimization finds shortest or fastest delivery paths. Routes equals A 20, B 15, C 25. Best equals min routes. Key equals routes.get. AI in delivery assignment assigns deliveries efficiently. Orders equals 80, drivers equals 8. Print orders per driver, Quote, orders drivers. I and ETA prediction. Estimates delivery time. Distance equals 20. Speed equals 40. ATA equals distance, speed. Print. ETA. Quote, ATA. Hours. I in real-time tracking. Tracks delivery status. Status equals in transit. Print. Delivery status. Quote, status. I in ray routing. Adjusts routes dynamically. Traffic equals high. If traffic equals high. Print. Finding alternate route. Full menu-based delivery optimization system. Python. Def route underscore optimization. A equals int. Input. Route A time. Quote. B equals int. Input. Route B time. Quote. C equals int. Input. Route C time. Quote. Routes equals A, B, C, best equals min, routes, key equals routes.get, print, best route, quote, best, def assign underscore deliveries, orders equals int, input, total orders, quote, drivers equals int, input, total drivers, quote, print, orders per driver, quote, orders drivers. Def ATA underscore prediction. Distance equals float. Input. Distance. Quote. Speed equals float. Input. Speed. Quote. ATA equals distance, speed. Print. ETA. Quote. ATA. Hours. Def traffic underscore check. Traffic equals input. Traffic level. Low, high. Quote. If traffic equals high. Print. Expect delay. Else. Print. On-time delivery. While true. Print. N1. Route optimization. Print. 2. Assign deliveries. Print. 3. ETA prediction. Print. 4. Traffic check. Print. 5. Exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. Quote. If choice equals 1. Route underscore optimization. L if choice equals 2. Assign underscore deliveries. L if choice equals 3. ATA underscore prediction. L if choice equals 4. Traffic underscore check. L if choice equals 5. Break. Else. Print. Invalid option. Concepts learned from this topic. Learning AI delivery optimization helps beginners understand. Checkmark route optimization. Checkmark scheduling systems. Checkmark load balancing. Checkmark real-time tracking. Checkmark decision-making systems. Real-life analogy. AI delivery optimization is like a smart delivery manager who assigns tasks to drivers, chooses the best routes, tracks deliveries, handles delays, ensures fast delivery. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding Map API integration, real-time GPS tracking, machine learning models, multi-stop route optimization, delivery priority system, dashboard visualization, mobile app integration. Common mistakes beginners make. Cross-mark ignoring traffic conditions. Cross-mark using static routes. Cross-mark poor task distribution. Cross-mark not handling delays. Cross-mark oversimplifying optimization logic. Where AI delivery optimization is used. AI delivery optimization is used in e-commerce platforms, food delivery apps, courier services, logistics companies, warehouse systems. Advanced systems include fleet management, predictive delivery systems, drone deliveries, automated warehouses. Simple definition. AI delivery optimization. The use of artificial intelligence to improve delivery routes, scheduling, and efficiency. Final summary. AI delivery optimization is a powerful real-world application of AI. It helps beginners learn checkmark route planning, checkmark scheduling, checkmark optimization techniques, checkmark real-time decision-making. It plays a key role in modern logistics and e-commerce systems.